Algebra 1 homework, problem 6 and 7. Is it possible for the team to have made 25 two-point baskets? 2 times 25 is 50 points. 30 free throws. 1 times 30 is 30 more points. And remain within the prescribed limits. 50 plus 30 is 80. That is less than 84 points. So that is within the limit. Within the prescribed limit. Give an example of a coordinate that does not fall within the limits described above. Well, one that does not fall, let's say we have 30 two-point baskets. And 40 free throws. .32-point baskets would be 60 points. 40 free throws. 40 more points. 100 points. Or greater than 84. Now, one that does fall within the limits, they want a different one. Well, problem 6 meets the required limits. Okay. Let's push on to problem 8 and 9. Walt is taking his family on a trip. He saved $400. He added $25 to his savings every week. They're going to Wally World, and it will cost at least this much money. Well, let's see. Write an inequality to represent the amount of money he needs, the number of weeks he's been saving. And we have to graph it. Let's think about this. Well, if we're graphing, we're going to put time on the x-axis, number of weeks, because time is usually the independent variable. The amount of money he needs at least $880, greater than or equal to $880, not degrees, but dollars. He starts with $400. And he saves $25 a week. So $25 times the number of weeks, we want to have at least $880. Okay. Well, how many weeks does he need to have been saving? Let's figure it out. If we have 25 weeks plus $400 greater than or equal to $880. First, we can subtract 400 from each side. That gives us 25 weeks. 880 minus 400 is $480. Now I divide both sides by 25. 25 divided by 25 $480 divided by 25. If I have a handy-dandy calculator, I can determine that the number of weeks needs to be $480 divided by 25, more than 19 weeks. So the number of weeks has to be bigger than 19.2, but we're not using a fraction of a week. We are going to have 20 weeks. Okay, 20 weeks, and we have to graph it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I will begin with 0, and I will go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Can he keep saving for longer? Sure. More money is usually better. Now, we need at least $880. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, let's see. $900? Sure. If this were $100 a week, we could then say 100, 300, 500, 700, 900, 1,100, 1,300, 1,500. He begins with $400. That's here. And he saves $50 every 2 weeks. So 400 plus 50, 450. Greater than or equal to, whoa, I made a mistake here, because from here to here he saves another $50. So every 4 weeks he saves $100. 4, 4. Solid line or dotted line? Solid line. Every 4 weeks, another $50. Every 4 weeks, another $100. So there's our line. Good.